According to available information, recently, France has sent 2 Crotale NG batteries to Ukraine in its arsenal to improve the country's air defense capabilities, especially in countering the air threat that is still intensively carried out by Russian forces. Released a recording from the 38th Anti-Aircraft Missile Regiment of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. The air defense system, which was delivered, was mounted on a trailer as part of its military aid package, and highlighted its configuration that can be adapted to the needs of the current battlefield. Initially, an earlier version of the Crotale armament, developed by the Thompson CSF company, was used to guard airfields and was mounted on the Hotchkiss P4R chassis. However, as technology develops in modern warfare, Crotale NG, which is the next generation, makes an all-weather short-range air defense system developed by the Thales company, France. As for the defense system on the Crotale NG, it can also be installed on various platforms, such as wheeled and wheeled vehicles that can increase mobility and its adaptability to various combat scenarios. So, what is the capability of the Crotale NG air defense system? Let's see the following review. Configured in the NG variant, the armament features improved radar capabilities and is equipped with an increased VT-1 missile capacity of up to 8 units. The entire system installed on the Ukrainian trailer, including launchers, radar units, and operator stations for fire control, ensures that the platform is very mobile and adaptive. The Crotale NG, which carries 8 VT-1 missiles, is ready to launch in 2 sets, consisting of 4 launchers and packed in containers. When the VT-1 missile is fired, it can intercept targets or threats traveling at speeds of up to Mach 3.5. The missile, which has a firing range of 11 kilometers and a minimum range of about 500 meters, as well as a high-altitude interception range from very low altitudes, is capable of reaching more than 6,000 meters. Then it has a 13 kilograms warhead with a fragmentation and directed explosive charge, which uses a short-range electromagnetic fuse to detonate within a radius of 8 meters from the target. Well, as for the capabilities of the VT-1 missile itself, it is powered by an advanced TX-883 solid-fuel rocket motor and is designed to reduce smoke emissions as well as allow for acceleration by having the ability to maneuver quickly during combat. When conducting reconnaissance, the system is equipped with an S-band reconnaissance radar, which can detect incoming threats up to a range of 20 kilometers and is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, using advanced pulse compression and Doppler technology. In addition, it is also equipped with a Ku-band tracking radar, which can extend the targeting capability up to 30 kilometers. The advantage of this system is that it can track up to 12 threats at once and can attack multiple targets with a fast reaction time of about 5 seconds from detection to launch. As the missile glides through the air, it receives guidance commands from the ground-based fire control system, which regulates its flight trajectory. However, to stay on the line of sight between the launcher and the target, it is achieved through radio commands sent from the launcher, which the missile uses to orient itself. Various defense systems and Crotale NG are designed to protect military units during combat, in strategic locations as well as in urban areas from enemy air threats, including aircraft, helicopters, drones, and cruise missiles. Moreover, Russian troops so far have been intensively carrying out their airstrikes. Of course, Ukraine's need for modern air defense remains critical. With the addition of Crotale NG, it will also provide another layer of protection against evolving threats. The Crotale NG version, which is equipped with an electrically powered tower, weighs about 4,800 kilograms. The tower includes an integrated reconnaissance radar with an identification friend or foe (IFF) subsystem and a tracking radar. Also, other advanced features. It is equipped with an electro-optical system featuring thermal imaging, daytime television cameras, video tracking systems, and infrared detection technology. This combination of radar and electro-optical tracking allows the VT-1 missile to strike targets with high precision. In fact, in complex operational environments with the potential for electronic precautions, as well as in various weather conditions. Meanwhile, in terms of use, Crotale NG has been used by several countries, including France, which first put it into operation in the late 1990s, and has been exported to other countries such as Finland, Greece, and South Korea. Furthermore, the system can not only be operated on land, but can also be applied in the Navy, with modifications that allow it to be placed on ships, in order to provide point defense against anti-ship and aircraft missiles, demonstrating its versatility in the maritime environment. France's decision in supplying the system highlights its continued military assistance to Ukraine. Crotale NG, which was given to the Ukrainian army, is one of the most advanced short-range air defense platforms. And, in addition to being able to complement other systems supplied by the West, such as Germany's Iris-T and NASAMS from the US, after all, the adaptability of Crotale NG, especially in the trailer-mounted version, of course, the Ukrainian military can reposition and redeploy the system efficiently based on the dynamics of the battlefield. Although details regarding the location with the exact placement are still under wraps. The existence of this system shows that Ukraine can certainly integrate advanced Western technology into its defense network. In the French army itself, the Crotale NG has been an important part of protecting military bases and strategic installations from air threats. This system, which has been deployed to ensure air defense during peacekeeping missions as well as in military operations, demonstrates its reliability and effectiveness in real-world scenarios.